Welcome to HueTrition Live. I'm Monica, your host. I'm the CEO and founder of HueTrition, and today we're going to be I'm going to be giving you 3 easy and simple tips to fill your plate with color and not have to worry about anything else. So basically 3 simple healthy living tips. Number 1 is you want to think about salads, being creative with salads. The tip there is that the salad needs to be really colorful, so you want to pick your base or the canvas, I will say, which is instead of, let's say, romaine lettuce, you want to have something that has more color to it, whether it's a mix of kale or something spinach, something that's greener, so a deeper color there for salads. Number 2, you want to do smoothies for sure. Like that, this is a life skill that I would teach from like smaller kids, obviously with supervision, whether it's a NutriBullet or another appliance, but they need to learn how to make their own smoothies. It's great. It's a great way to pack nutrition for life. So the other thing with smoothies is that it allows you to use frozen. It allows you to use things that are kind of going bad questionably, so you can kind of like put them into a smoothie and not have waste. So it's a lot more cost effective. And number 3, the word is yogurt. You want to be able to do a parfait from kids that are probably beginning at 5 years old all the way through life. You can do a parfait, and again, this is a great canvas because it has high protein. You want to look for a yogurt that has high protein and ideally lower fat, and being able to use the yogurt as your canvas, and you never run out of ideas because you can always mix it up with different fruits that are colorful, from mangoes, it could be frozen mangoes, to blueberries, to strawberries, to whatever is in season. So those are the 3 key tips that really work for anything, whether it's like a kid, you want to teach them how to do that, to all the way to being a family. Those are 3 sure ways to stay healthy. I encourage you to try them. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. If you want more tips, you can also go to our blog, where we have more than 3 ways. We have 11 ways, 20 ways, different ways. So you can go to HueTrition.com/HueBlog. Thank you for watching.